This graph shows the cost of parking C as a function of time t. Let's determine the domain of this graph. So upon looking at this graph, we can see that it's describing as time goes on in the x-axis or t-axis, the cost of parking increases in the y or c-axis. And the domain is essentially all of the possible x values of the graph or function. Here we're given individual points. And each of these points has an x value. And that x value is part of the whole domain. So let's find each of those x values. By drawing a vertical line from our point down to the x-axis, we can determine what the value of x is for that point, and therefore the domain. Our first point has a time or x value of 30. And then we have 45, since it's halfway between 30 and 60. And then we have 75, 90, and 120. And that is the domain of this graph.